What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Lieutenant Evergreen from LEGO Fortnite. Now for today's lesson we're going to start at the very top and work our way down across the head. Let's start in the middle, right at the very top with a curve. We're going to go up and then down. Now on the right side, draw a curve going up and then over towards the left. Go out with a straight line, flatten this off, and then taper that back down and in. Now from here it's going to work our way across and then down, come straight down towards the bottom, come in, and then come out towards the bottom left. Now from here we're going to start drawing the layers of the head. From the bottom corners, bend this down and then out, and do the same thing on the right. And now we're going to add the texture of leaves across the bottom. Let's start on the left. Just going to angle this down, going up, and then bending that down. Let's add another one. Coming in. Now I just want to repeat this all the way across towards the right. Coming down a little bit lower in the middle. Now we're going to start to angle this out towards the right side. And close this off. Let's leave a gap in the center, go back over toward the left, angle this down and out, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to work our way across the bottom, adding these points. Then on the outside, I'm just going to bend this in and then up underneath. Let's move to the center, add a single leaf coming straight down, flatten off the bottom, going up, and then add one more and just tucking that in. Now in this gap, we're going to draw a small circle for the eye, add a smaller circle on the top for highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the eye in black. Let's add in the eyebrow, curve this up and then out, flatten off the inside, and taper that back out, and we'll fill the inside for the eyebrow. Let's continue along the side of the head. We move out, draw two straight lines coming down, and then add those leaves, working all the way out toward the left. And we'll just tuck this in and then up towards the side. And then just repeat that over on the right side. Let's round out the bottom of the head, starting over on the left, curve this down in the middle, round this out, and then pull that back up. Now I want to shift the mouth over towards the right. So we're starting on the left side, then this across, and then up, and add a bracket on the end. Now in the center, we're going to draw a small curve for the neck. And then from the top of the neck, draw two straight lines going out across the shoulders. And then we're going to slope the body, coming down and then out towards the hips. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's add some detail to the body. From the bottom left, step up, draw a straight line going across. Move up, draw another line for the top of the belt. Let's go to the center and draw two lines on either side for the buckle. Now from the hips, we're going to round out the barrel of the legs. Let's start on the left. Bring this out and then back in. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's leave a small gap in the center and draw two lines on either side. So move over toward the left, draw a straight line going all the way across towards the bottom of the feet. Move over towards the right and draw another line. Let's go to the outside of the barrel from the bottom corner, draw another line. Just going to line this up with the inside. And we'll flatten off the bottom of the feet. From the bottom of the foot, let's step up, draw a straight line going across on either side, step up and draw that again. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, then the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, going out, and then down. Let's round up the wrist, and go up, and then bend that out towards the side. Let's follow that same curve along the outside of the arm, going up. I'm just going to bend that in towards the side of the body, just underneath the shoulder. And do the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom corners of the wrist, we're going to curve the hand, going all the way around and then in, almost like a circle, but we're going to leave a gap in the center, in between the fingers. Let's round out the inside, just pulling that back out. And we'll trace the inside of the hand, going all the way around and then back up. Now we're going to go halfway up the arm and add some leaves on the outside. So bringing this down and pulling that back up. Let's add another leaf. And we'll bend this in and then down towards the bottom of the arm. Let's take that detail and flip it over on the right. So starting from the outside of the arm, coming down and up. Add another point. Then it's in and down. Let's add some leaf textures across the top. Going up, down, and then up. Let's add some texture to the body. We're going to start from the top, come in, add a point going up and down. Now I just want to repeat this all the way across towards the right. And we can vary the lengths of these leaves. Now in the middle, we're going to add a curve for the string of lights, coming down. Just going to cross the leaves and go up towards the right. And we'll add some lights across the bottom with these long rectangles. And we'll add that same texture along the bottom going in behind the lights. So step in, go up underneath, and it's going to continue our way across. Let's add another string going across from the bottom, going up and then out. Now we're just going to add some lights aiming up. Just tuck some underneath and then bring some coming down. Let's add a couple ornaments across the barrel of the leg. So add a circle on the top and then one on the bottom right. And then along the top, just add a small square. Let's add a string of lights going across and then up, going out and then down, and we'll just add those lights inside. Now I want to add that same leaf texture across the legs. Let's start on the left, and I want to go in behind the lights and the ornaments, and continue over on the right. Let's move down and draw that again. And we'll add one more there. Now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Lieutenant Evergreen from LEGO Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.